make it to the channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button. Don't get a huge thumbs up. I had this. When you saw, just go put it. Also, in this video, what we're gonna do, I have special guests. No why, but Mom's behind the camera. She's cameraman today. Alright, so what we're gonna do is show you my puppet collection. Instead, well, I'm not gonna show you like here's all this and that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna tell you each one of them. Alright, let's start with these. These are like puzzle stuff. This is I got the name, but comment down below you know the name. It's a puzzle thing. Like you do this, and you try to get back to your normal color. And this one is let me try it for. There's a ball in it somewhere.
The maze?
Yeah, it's a maze with the ball. Oh yeah. If it goes in this hole, if I try to get it in the hole, it did. Yeah. So next we have this. Hey, you guys. We have this one. This one goes like beam, and then this one goes like boom. I put them in the cracks and like puzzle this, and some of them doesn't have another one. Like this one, I used to have another one, but I don't know where it is. My mom likes this one. Okay. Then we have mini emojis. Like scratchies, I mean emojis. We have this one. Why made. We have a donut. We have this one. I made this one. And then we have a baby squishy. Don't know what it is. Okay. That's the squishy. And then we have these.
Fidget spinners.
The
Fidget spinners.
Fidget spinners I got. We have mine. Let's see. Then we have Riot. Riot doesn't walk that much.
Nope. Show them what else you got.
But yeah, we have all these. Then we have the big squishies. We have this bagel donut. Then we have this hot bottle. You can let's buy this for babies. They like it. Then we have this llama. This whale. Seal. Unicorn. And then we have this donut.
Oh no.
With ears and yeah. Then we have these. I keep forgetting the names of these. Comment down below you know this one. So we have the green one, the yellow one, the red one, and we have the rainbow one. Darren got us. You don't know who Darren is? That's why it's fun. Okay, next, over here, we have the Swiss box. This one, I used to have a color changing one, but yeah, that's it. Then we have this one. The little boys, I like to do this.
That's cool, huh?
And we have, I just clean these too. Then we have this one.
Whoa, let me get a close up. Squeeze it. Oh no.
Then we have this one. Yeah, I noticed. And then we have this one. Then we have this one we got from a different place. I don't know when, like a long time ago. Is this one why I got it? It's a TV show.
That's cool.
It's a TV show on YouTube.
Yep.
And it's a TV show, and they showed it Saturdays now, and it's a TV. And it's
FGTV, I think.
Yeah, that. And it's poof.
Boop.
And then we have the snappers. I got that one. Got the purple one. Got the orange one. The green one.
Woo!
Then we have these simple dimple puppet squeeze puppets. Okay, we have this
Simple
one.
dimple.
Simple dimple.
Yep.
And we have these. These are the same colors. Then we have this one. They are the same but different because this one.
Oh, you can spin that one.
This is like the fourth simple dimple I got. It's a spinner and it pops really good. And it's not hard to pop it. These are hard to pop for some reason. Yeah, I have 4 of them.
Okay.
Now I have a pea popper.
You get a close up of that?
1 pea, 2 pea, 3 pea. Wait,
Pea popper.
3 pea. Borrow me,
Oh, it's
borrow
cute.
me again. I hit you. Then we have the big puppet.
Then we have the big puppet.
So we have the bag. Hey, you can't show them.
Oh, whoops, we're sorry.
sorry.
All right, show us the next
I
one.
had to show them. Then we have this bag.
Her bag.
Then we have this star.
The star.
What's it smell like something? But I don't know what it sounds like. And then we have this big.
And the
This
big.
is the 4th big puppet. I
Very
never
cool,
had.
right?
Let's go.
There we
Now
go.
the food puppets.
Then we got the
We
food
have-
puppets.
Yeah, 4. One of my favorite.
French fry.
Ice cream and
Ice cream.
avocado.
Avocado.
And
Very
then we have
nice.
The mini puppets. I have
The
a
mini
lot of them.
puppets.
I don't want to tell you of them, but I have like a dog, a particle, this, a turtle, a heart, I'm going to tell you. Pineapple, a owl, a frog, a pea, yeah, and then a watchful, a crab. Who are you? A watchful. I can't say it. What are you?
Okay, what else you
Okay,
got?
then we have the hearts. This one's my favorite so far that I remember.
Pretty heart.
Then we have this heart. Then we have this heart. Then we have this heart. Then we have this heart.
4 hearts.
4 hearts. And then we have the animal.
Or 5.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 hearts. 5 hearts and
Then we have the animal.
how many animals you got?
We have 1 animal. My favorite. And then
2.
the one. And this one. The
3.
fits,
Yeah.
the snail, the fits, and the crab. The
Very
fits,
cool.
The chocolates, I'm pretty sure I have 4. The red one, the pink one, the purple one, the blue one.
Very
So
cool.
1, 2, 2, 2,
3.
3, 4, 4, 4, 4. It's 4. It's 4.
4.
It's 4. It's 4. It's 4.
4.
I did. Okay, then I have this one. And this one's my 4th puppet I ever had.
Her first poppet was pink.
1, 2, 3, 4. These
Very
look
nice.
the same but different colors. Okay. Then we have like random stuff. Random stuff like a star and then our head.
Yep.
And we have these. These are not the same, but this is a waxy. This is cool too. These are kind of like the same. This one too. And then the snake. It's kind of like the same. So I.
Very cool.
Then we have this. I need it. So we have this. We have the puzzle. So I didn't make it to the end. So yeah. And the fun, cool part is you can connect it and get more and connect it and connect it. So we can make a whole.
Very
And
nice.
then we have a whole rainbow in small, big, and all these colors.
All the noodles.
And then one more I missed. Then we have this. I call it a fidget, but I don't think it is. But I call it because you can squish it and you can put it on your hand.
All right.
And then we have this. bracelet, and it, but it's a bracelet, and it can come out undone. Undone. Undone.
Good job.
It's like a noodle.
Yeah, it is.
It's like a noodle.
Just like a noodle,
But
kind
it's
of.
a dinosaur with a long neck, and then we have this bear. If I hit it goes. It goes in, and you can squish it, and it goes in. So that's cool. Then we have this squishy. Not squishy, that I said squishy.
Slinky.
Slinky. Okay, next we have these. Whatever you call it, we have a lot of them. We have like
Oh, those
different.
are cute.
We have little ones like the little, like the monkey, like the monkey noodles. We have little ones, and then we have little ones, and then we have big ones.
Yep.
Got the hair. Yeah. And then my favorite, the emojis. We have little kinds. These kinds are my favorite. It wants the ear on the way, but
Oh, that one's cute.
the big kind. It's so sticky because I washed it in water.
Yep. That's okay. Then nice and clean, right?
Yeah. At school, Wyatt, he got me this avocado squishy.
Let me see. Avocado.
Avocado from Mexico. And that's all. But I did.
And you got, yep, let's just show them what it looks like. We got all this. This.
These. Inside the house, you can go on it to
Inside
be doing.
this.
Right there. And then the snappers, those. So much good stuff. In the neighborhood.
Very cool.
I didn't
This is a cool purse, right?
Yeah, you can put stuff in it.
You can put stuff in it.
This and a
Very cool,
you
huh?
can pop it. You can pop it inside. Guys,
And we got
it's a
the food
notebook.
ones. We got all the little guys. We got all the hearts.
A lot of hearts.
And we got the animals.
Animals.
Circles.
Circles.
Squares.
Squares. You have a random train, and we have
Oh, the
these.
little
There's a
noodles.
little noodles, big noodles, any kind. Guys,
Right, and look at all of our little
pets.
pets.
This is not all of them. I still have more.
That's not even close to all of them, huh?
If you guys over here, right here I have a little house with. Let me set him. Yogurt, I call him. Put the glasses on this. Then we have her.
Oh, she's cute.
Little bunny.
She has her ears pierced too, guys. See? We pierced her ears.
And then so she's taking
All
a
right. Say goodnight.
Good night. Oof. And before we end the video, I didn't do this for nothing because I wanted to show you guys and connect and show you guys in that. And then we had the balls. We have these purple birds, pink birds, and then we have this big ball.
Holy moly,
We
yep.
got this big ball from Walmart. So, I hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe to our kitchen and get a huge thumbs up. Goodbye. Peace. Peace.